I'm always looking for snacks that I can take on the go with me and meal replacement bars. This one is by WonderSlim. They were kind enough to send this to me so that I could try it. It is the cinnamon flavor. They have other flavors. You get 7 of these in a box. This is what the package looks like outside, but the real test will be how it tastes, because if it doesn't taste good, I'm not gonna eat them. So I will end up stopping for fast food, which is not good. So let me get into this. And this is how big it is. Whoops. So it's bigger than a regular granola bar. It has a white coating on the back. Smells nice and cinnamony. I like that. It tastes similar to a cinnamon bar or a granola bar. Good flavor. It has good crunch. I like things that have crunch like that. It's crunchy, but yet it's chewy. You know, it's not hard crunchy. I like this. I could definitely eat these on the go. Perfect for throwing in a tote bag, beach bag, pool bag, backpack, purse. If you're not a huge fan of chocolate or peanut butter, I think this is a good alternative, because I know a lot of them have chocolate or peanut butter or caramel. So cinnamon with white chocolate. Pretty good.